So we're making some burritos here. Yeah. Got some delicious beef. Okay, yeah, let's just say that's beef. Got some Ramiro's premium quality flour tortillas. Looks like something I'd buy from the swap meet. There we go. Yeah, put the lid back on. Yeah, put some, yeah, bam. There you go. There's some, Danky's burritos.
Premium rolling burritos for you, eh?
No, yeah.
Hooked up on this one, too.
As you see, I'm cooking the tortillas on the open flame. Yes.
True Mexicans.
And that didn't even sound Mexican.
True Mexicans.
Hey, where'd Jack go? Jack!